Hello, students. A very warm welcome to you. Every time we have looked at a sociologist who is no more alive, so might feel a bit outdated. I'm obviously shown that when you were reading Karl Marx, like this person has died 200 years ago. Like, I don't know about him anymore. Don't we have somebody that I can read and they're still there? Can I go and find about them? In all the thinkers that you have seen, everybody has died, but except this guy, he's not immortal, but he is among the modern generation sociologists, and he is a very popular member of parliament from United Kingdom, and his name is Anthony Giddens. There are many famous words that you are going to look around Giddens' contribution, but before that, if you say who exactly is Anthony Giddens or what is he trying to say, let me ask you a simple question first of all. Do you think, are you controlled by society or you are controlling the society? You would tell, or at least the people around you will tell, no, the society is controlling you, especially your parents. But when they go away, you are going to say, my life, my rules. You will put that sticker on the bike or on the back of your bike also. Gideon is telling that society controls you. Absolutely right. You control the society, my life, my rules. This is also right. They both are in conjunction to one another. They both coexist. And this is the concept what Giddens is trying to bring in the field of sociology. Who is this person? He is a very popular British sociologist. He is a politician. He is an intellectual thought in the field of political discipline as well. He has also been considered to be as a director for the London School of Economics. And what is the famous theory that has been given by Giddens that is known to be as structuration theory? He tells that you are basically present as an agent of the whole society. So you will be called to be as an agency, and on the other opposite hand, the whole society is considered to be as a structure. So his concept is also called to be as agency structure theory, or he is telling you are as an agent, you perform action. The society is like a structure, it is going to give you. Society is like a framework, it is going to give you structure. He mixes both of these concepts, and it is called to be as structuration theory. What is structuration? It is a mixture of action and structure. His theory is also called to be as structuration theory. And then there is also an important concept that has been discussed by him. It is called to be as the duality of structure. That the society has always been existed in some form of duality. What is the one aspect of duality? One, what the society creates, is one what you create as an individual. Society will create its rules. What you will create your own style. If I want to explain you, like cricket is there. Cricket has got certain set of rules. The society has created that rules. A person is supposed to stand in the crease, and that is how he's supposed to play. A person is supposed to come, throw the ball at the batsman. So these are the rules which has been created. But don't you see, every player has got their own styles of playing. Dhoni has got his own helicopter shot. Virat Kohli has got his cover drives. The point what we are trying to look is everybody follows the rules in some way or the other, but still they are able to maintain their individuality. So the reality is always in the form of dualities that we are having. And what is Giddens' concept explaining the ideas of globalization, the structure and the agencies, how the concept of social construction takes place, what is reflexivity and modernity, all these phenomena, we will look at it in a more detail. There are some previous year questions which has been associated with the duality of structure, what is modernity and reflexivity. Although he is not a direct thinker that we are having, but he is also a very popular sociologist that you will be seeing around. It makes a lot of sense, especially in the case of 21st century. So here we see some important thinker. In the next video, I will be discussing to you more in detail about in next important, I will be discussing more in detail about Indian thinkers. I will be explaining to you about Indian thinkers, such as who is G.S. Ghurye. Have you heard the name Evan Srinivas? Have you heard the name A.R. Desai? Have you heard the name Iravati Karve? Do you know the meaning of S.C. Dubey? I will be looking at these one-on-one thinkers. From our next video onwards, we will be shifting from the Western thinkers towards Indian thinkers. I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.